Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel. Those who have already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the next video notification. In this video, we are going to solve another set of MCQ of science practice paper number 7 of class 8th. Now let us solve the first, let us answer for the first question. Which of the following is not a source of air pollution? Automobile exhaust, burning of firewood, windmill, power plant. So the right answer for this question is, so automobile will causes pollution, burning also firewood also causes pollution, power plant also, and which is not a source of air pollution is option C, that is windmill. So windmill is the right answer. Now let us move for the second question. The liquid material in the nucleus is chromosomes, bacteria, nucleoplasm, nucleolus. So the right answer is option C, nucleoplasm. Next, coming to third question, tissues combine to form nucleus, cells, organism, organs. The right answer for the third question is option D. A group of tissue will form a organ. Now let us move for the fourth question. Cells which lack nuclear membrane are eukaryotic cell, prokaryotic cell, single cell, multicell. The right answer for fourth question is option B, prokaryotic cell. The cells which lack nuclear membrane, they are called as prokaryotic cell. So ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಯುಕ್ಯಾರಿಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯಾರಿಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, cells present in living organism differ in numbers, shape, size, all of these. The right answer for fifth question is option D, all of these, because they vary in number. All of these, they vary in number. One, they vary in shape, they vary in size also. Therefore all of these is the right answer. Then coming to sixth question, Adam's apple is enlarged larynx, mammary gland, apple of Adam, and red apple. The right answer is when a boy become an adult, at the stage of when he become that is adolescence age ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಧ್ವನಿಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಧ್ವನಿ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಆಡಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಲ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಧ್ವನಿಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. Then coming to seventh question, the chemical substance which are secreted from endocrine glands are called puberty, hormones, estrogen, adolescence. The right answer for seventh question is option B, hormones. Hormones are called as chemical substances. Hormones are the chemical substances that are secreted from endocrine glands. What is the stoppage of menstruation called? So menarche, that is start of the menstruation, and the stoppage of menstruation, menarche, menopause, gametes, insulin. The right answer for eighth question is option B, that is menopause. Then coming to ninth question, the defect due to which a person is not able to see the distant object clearly, but he can see the near object clearly, and that defect is called myopia, hypermetropia, cornea, cataract. The right answer is option A, myopia, or it is also called as short sightedness. Next, 10th question, myopia can be controlled by using concave lens, convex lens, opaque lens, micro lens. The right answer is by using option A, that is concave lens. By using concave lens. So now let us answer the 11th question. So 11th question is, if I am 13 years old, I have gone round the sun dash times. Never gone around the sun. Shall go around the sun when I shall be 15, 13 and 26. So the right answer, if you are a 13-year-old boy or girl, you have gone around the sun 13 times, because so ನಾವಿರೋದು ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ತು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸುತ್ತೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ 1 year, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 365 days. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 13 years ಅಂದರೆ 13 rounds, 13 times. The right answer for 11th question is option C, 13. Next, coming to 12th question. The powerhouse of the cell: nucleus, chloroplast, cytoplasm, mitochondria. The right answer is option D, mitochondria. So mitochondria is the right answer. Then coming to 13th question. Cell was discovered by Robert Brown, Robert Hooke, M.J. Shieldin, then T. Schwachen. So the right answer for 13th question is option B, Robert Hooke. So Robert Hooke. Then coming to 14th question. The organelle not present in an animal cell is cell membrane, nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast. So among these, it is not present in the animal cell is option D, chloroplast. So chloroplast is not present in the animal cell. It is only present in plant cell. Next, 15th question. Which metal is electroplated on iron for making can for storing food and drinks? So tin metal, chromium metal, silver metal, copper metal. The right answer is option A, tin metal. Next, coming to 16th question. Which category of substance are generally good conductors? Non-metal, metal, insulator, reflector. So good conductors are option B, that is metal. Metal are good conductors. Then coming to 17th question. Electric current is measured by using odometer, voltmeter, ammeter, galvanometer. So the right answer for 17th question is option C, that is ammeter. So ammeter is the right answer. Then coming to 18th question. A coating of dash is deposited on iron to protect it from corrosion and formation of rust. Zinc, copper, aluminium, silver. The right answer for 18th question is option A, that is zinc. So zinc is the right answer. Then coming to 19th question. The shape of amoeba is round, regular, irregular, elongated. So the right answer is option C. Amoeba doesn't have any shape, that is it has irregular shape. Then the negative charged ions are called cations, anions, ions, none of these. The right answer is option A, that is cations. So like this we have to answer 20 MCQ of practice paper number 7. So next, in the next video we are going to answer another set of paper, that is science practice paper number 8. So till then, watch my YouTube channel. Please watch my videos, share my videos, like my videos, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.